Welcome to MBBS Council. In this video, we will see how many Maharashtra state students have got allotment through All India Quota Counseling conducted by MCC. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel now and click the bell icon to get regular updates. If you need expert guidance to get best medical college for your NEET score, contact Admission Helpline. From Maharashtra state, 138 candidates got allotment in All India Institute of Medical Sciences. 3 got allotment in JIPMER. 166 candidates got allotment in Maharashtra government medical colleges. 67 got allotment in other state medical colleges. 27 Maharashtra candidates got allotment in Seth GS Medical College and 22 got allotment in BJ Government Medical College, Pune. 12 each got allotment in Lokmanya Tilak Medical College and Topiwala National Medical College. Most of the candidates allotted in top Maharashtra government medical colleges through All India Quota are likely to join as per previous year trend. If you find this video helpful, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. Contact Admission Helpline if you need expert guidance. See you in the next video.